the brand ambassador of Archery Premier League, Mr. Arjun Munda, President, Archery Association of India, Mr. Virendra Sachdeva, Secretary General, Archery Association of India, Mr. Anil Kamineni, Chairman, Archery Premier League, Dr. Joris Paulus, Treasurer, Archery Association of India. We're also deeply honored to be joined today by some of the world's and India's finest archers who have lit up the league with their talent and of course their performance and sportsmanship. We've got 9 of them here, if I'm not wrong, I'll just take their name once. We've got Katharina Bauer, Arizona Cowboy Brady Allison, Ella Gibson, world number 1 Matthias Fullerton, India's most decorated archer Deepika Kumari, we've got Dheeraj Bomadevra, who represented us in the Paris 2024 Olympics. We've got Jyoti Surekha Venan. And we've got Abhishek Verma here with us, who we call Guruji. We've also got Chiquita, a rising star in Indian archery. Though they have their matches lined up in the evening, they are here with us now to answer all of your questions, but for that you'll have to wait a bit. First, I'd like the gentlemen who are there with us here on the stage to say a few words. Let's start with Mr. Ramcharan, our brand ambassador. He brings in obviously the star power, the passion and tremendous support to Indian archery. Ram, we'd love to hear your thoughts on the league and its influence.
Good afternoon, everyone. Congratulations for completing the Archery League almost, and we're so excited. At the same time, we feel we're going to miss this very soon after tomorrow. I hope all of you had a great time in India. Firstly, Brady, I love your style, man. Very cool. And congratulations to you, and many more wins. And especially Chiquita, you're from my state. I wish you all the best. She's Telangana, Andhra. Yeah, man, both are our states. And Deepika ji, thank you so much, and wishing you all the best for the future and the upcoming bigger tournaments that are coming. How are you? Congratulations. So proud of you. Thank you. Abhishek ji, namaskar. So firstly, I don't see it as a competition, this league. I think it's a great collaboration of the world athletes and archers coming together. Obviously, the youngsters and the new archers are going to have so much of potential to learn from the seniors and somebody who's won championships. And on the first hand basis, they can learn so much. It's like how my movie RRR was embraced by the world cinema. Here, the archery, for the first time, I'm so proud. Thanks to all of them on this stage who had made this possible, especially Anil Kamineni ji and Munda ji and Sachdeva ji. And all of you, thank you so much. You have made the world a smaller place by bringing all of them together. And you made everyone collaborate and see the opportunity to learn from each other. And all of us can achieve the dream of winning the Olympics, which is hopefully not a dream anymore after this week.
That is the aim of this league, isn't it? That we produce more and more archers who can go and win the Olympics and the biggest competitions in the world. Thank you so much for your kind words and for your support. Now, I'd like Mr. Arjun Munda, who's the President of Archery Association of India, to say a few words about the league and what it means for Indian archery.
सबको नमस्कार। ऑलरेडी रामचरण जी ने आर्चरी के संबंध में हम सबको ऐतिहासिक कदम बढ़ाने के साहसिक प्रयास को सराहते हुए अभूतपूर्व योगदान एज ए ब्रांड एम्बेसडर आर्चरी के उन्होंने समय भी दिया इनिशियल जब हम शुरू कर रहे थे उस समय, और आज हम सबके बीच में उपस्थित है हमारे सेक्रेटरी जनरल सचदेवा जी, वीरेंद्र सचदेवा जी, और पूरे समय तक अनिल कैमरानी जी लगातार लगे हुए हैं, जोरिस जी है। तो मैं सभी आर्चर्स जिन्होंने, मैं कई दिन तक इस लीग को नज़दीक से देखा और जिस तरीके से हमारे आर्चर्स यहाँ पर 11 कंट्रीज़ के आर्चर्स और हमारे इंडियन आर्चर्स सारे ने बहुत अच्छा परफॉर्म किया है और लगातार प्रतिस्पर्धा जारी है। कल हम फाइनल में देखेंगे अपने आर्चर्स को, अपने खिलाड़ियों को। और जो मैंने सुना है कि इस आयोजन से, क्योंकि अभी अभी रामचरण जी हमारे देश के प्रधानमंत्री जी से मिले और उन्होंने काफ़ी आर्चरी को सराहते हुए इनके योगदान को भी सराहा है, और आने वाले समय में यह जो शुभारंभ हुआ है विजयादशमी से, यह पूरे वर्ल्ड के लिए मैं समझता हूँ कि एक ऐतिहासिक कदम के रूप में, जिसमें हमारे अभी के आर्चर्स, आने वाले आर्चर्स और लगातार इस खेल के प्रति लोगों की जुड़ाव बढ़ेगी। आज ये हमारी परंपरागत व्यवस्था में बहुत महत्वपूर्ण स्थान रखने वाला खेल है, जो हमें जोड़ता है अपने इतिहास से, जोड़ता है अपने परंपराओं से और जोड़ता है दुनिया से। दुनिया के कई देश, 150 कंट्रीज में आर्चरी एसोसिएशन है और उसमें से भारत एक अभूतपूर्व स्थान प्राप्त करते हुए आगे बढ़ रहा है। जैसे अभी जितने भी हमारे परफॉर्मेंस हुए हैं, जितने भी हमारे टूर्नामेंट्स हुए हैं, उस टूर्नामेंट्स में हमारा द्वितीय स्थान पूरे विश्व के अंदर प्राप्त हुआ है। ऐसे समय में हमने एक साहसिक कदम बढ़ाते हुए लीग फॉर्मेट में अभियान प्रारंभ किया है। मुझे आशा है कि मीडिया जगत इसको गंभीरता से लेते हुए भारत की एक साहसिक कदम को दुनिया तक पहुंचाने में हमारी सहयोगी सिद्ध होगी। और मुझे यह कहते हुए खुशी हो रहा है कि यह जो प्रारंभ हुआ है वो आगामी दूर तक जाएगी। बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद।
इसी तरह का प्रोत्साहन चाहिए था आर्चरी को इंडिया में, और वो प्रोत्साहन अब मिल गया है। तो ये तो सुनिश्चित हो चुका है कि आर्चरी अब बहुत आगे जाएगी इंडिया में। Thank you so much, Mr. Arjun Munda. Let's move on to Mr. Virendra Sachdeva, who is the Secretary General of Archery Association of India. Mr. Munda ने बताया कि अभी कुछ लोग यहाँ प्रेसिडेंट से मिलके, प्राइम मिनिस्टर से मिलके आए हैं, मिस्टर नरेंद्र मोदी से। तो आप उसके बारे में अगर हमें कुछ बता सकें तो।
प्रधानमंत्री जी से अनिल जी और रामचरण जी मिलकर आए हैं और मुझे खुशी इस बात की है कि इंडियन वो उनको प्रेजेंट किया गया हमारे सभी आर्चर्स के सिग्नेचर से, और उन्होंने उसको बहुत अप्रिशिएट किया, उसको बहुत संभाल के रखने के लिए कहा है। वो फोटोग्राफ्स भी आपके बीच में जल्दी आएगा। मैं सबसे पहले तो रामचरण जी को, अनिल जी को, अर्जुन जी को और डॉक्टर जोरिस जो हमारे ट्रेजरर हैं, आप सबको बधाई देता हूँ। ये फर्स्ट सीजन और हिंदुस्तान में आर्चरी लीग होना वर्ल्ड में पहली बार। बहुत डर लग रहा था जब हमने शुरू किया। मुझे ध्यान है 2016 की बात होगी, अनिल जी और हम दोनों वर्ल्ड कांग्रेस में थे, तो वहाँ हमने प्रेजेंटेशन में कहा था कि हम लीग करना चाहते हैं। तो 2016 से उस ड्रीम को पूरा करने का जो प्रयास किया हमने, उसको आज हम पूरा कर पाए हैं। और हमारे प्लेयर्स आए हुए हैं बाहर से भी और अपने जो इंडियन आर्चर्स हैं। आप मीडिया के मित्रों से मैं निवेदन करना चाहता हूँ, अगर आप लोग उस लीग को नहीं देख रहे हैं तो आप बहुत बड़ी चीज़ मिस कर रहे हैं। क्या बॉन्डिंग है आर्चर्स की, तो मैं एला गिब्सन को भंगा करते हुए देखता हूँ, आप मतलब समझ नहीं सकते कि क्या फीलिंग्स आ रही हैं। और जिस तरह का हमारा एटमोसफियर है टीम स्टाफ में, हर टीम में 2 फॉरनर्स हैं, बाकी प्लेयर्स हैं, और इतना और सीखने को बहुत मिल रहा है हमारे आर्चर्स को। जब हम रेडी को शूट करते हुए देखते हैं और हर एरो जो है वो 10 में जा रहा है और इतना स्मूथ लगता है कि कितना इजी है आर्चरी, लेकिन उसके पीछे की डेडिकेशन समझ में आती है। तो हमारे प्लेयर जूनियर प्लेयर्स भी हैं जो दिल्ली के बाकी बच्चे और शहरों के बच्चे वो आके से डिस्कशन कर रहे हैं। तो मुझे लगता है कि अब वो समय आ गया कि आर्चरी, जैसे मुन्ना जी ने कहा कि ये हमारी एक तरह से हमारा कल्चर भी है, हम पुरातन से इसको देखते आ रहे हैं और यहाँ कोई ऐसा नहीं है जिसने कभी ना कभी तीर कमान अपने हाथ में ना लिया। लेकिन अब समय आ गया कि आर्चरी को वो स्थान मिलना चाहिए जिसका वो हक रखता है। स्पोर्ट्स में अब आर्चरी हमारा मेन स्ट्रीम स्पोर्ट बने और उस ऊंचाइयों तक जाए, इसकी हम लोग कोशिश कर रहे हैं। मुझे लगता है हम कर सकते हैं, हमारे आर्चर्स में बहुत ताकत है। हिंदुस्तान में हर मेडल आर्चरी में जीता है, ओलंपिक बचा और 2028 में उस लीग को हम तोड़ेंगे। इस लीग के माध्यम से जो डर हमने अपना बच्चों को निकाला था वो निकालने में हम सफल हुए, मैं तो ये कॉन्फिडेंटली कह सकता हूँ। और 2028 का ओलंपिक मेडल का रास्ता यहाँ दिल्ली से शुरू हुआ है, मुझे लगता है हम उसको पूरा करेंगे। बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद।
वो कहते हैं ना कि डर के आगे जीत है और इंडियन आर्चरी के लिए इससे बड़ी जीत हो नहीं सकती थी। थैंक यू सो मच मिस्टर वीरेंद्र सचदेवा। Now let's move on to Mr. Anil Kamineni. He's the chairman of Archery Premier League, and Virendra ji just mentioned that you were the one who met the Prime Minister. I'd like to know what were the conversation and what are your thoughts on the league so far?
Archer who is here, Abhishek, Dheeraj, and Katrina, Ella, Lady, Matthias, Deepika, and Jyoti, and Chika. Each one of them has either for their own country, those from India for their country, and those from other countries for their country, have made their countries flag fly high. So congratulations to all of you. You've done an amazing job. And for you all to have come to India, it is something amazing. I mentioned this to the Prime Minister. I said for the first time ever, we have the best archers in the world come to India and they are shooting over here along with our archers. And that is something which no other league or anyone has done, where the top in the world have come in. So, and that has also opened up doors for World Archery. We had some people from World Archery seeing, and every day this is going around the world. What is happening in India is being watched around the world, and the kind of reports that we are getting is just unbelievable. So that is the reason why we said we must let all of you know that how successful this league has been. Though tomorrow is the last day, because I know that several of them are leaving immediately after that and we could not have an opportunity to meet with the press. So we said let us have it today. We know it has been an amazing success, and all our archers, like Mr. Sachdeva was saying, when we saw some of our archers shoot, it was just unbelievable. Into this size, from a recurve bow, 70 meters away, they are shooting right into the middle. It is just unprecedented, and that is what we saw. And we saw some of these archers who've come from around the world, their capabilities and their excellence in the sport that they have, what they have showcased is just outstanding. So having seen this, then I told the Prime Minister also, saying that this is what we are doing and this is how we want to look for the future. He was very, very impressed, and he said all his best wishes are with all of us, and then he hopes that very soon India will be right there on top, along with, we have USA, Great Britain, Germany and Denmark over here. So we would be there along with them, and also at the Olympics. Because as you all know, we are also looking at the possibility of hosting the 2036 Olympics. So we said all this is going to help us to achieve our ultimate goal of the Olympics and winning medals from now on in the sport of archery. Though we have won medals in para archery, we have some Olympic medals, but in this category we have not got that. So we are hoping that very soon with the help from all of you, we would be able to, with this league, we would be able to achieve that also. And then I would also like to mention here the immense help that we have got on from the press, from the social media, and then the broadcast quality and the production has been very good. That has been appreciated by World Archery, what they're seeing every day. World Archery seeing what is happening over here, and then we've got very good reports from them also. So this shows that the future of archery in India and the APL is very, very bright. And then I think with this, we have taken into account each and every aspect of archery, from all the technical help that we have got from Dr. Joris over here. He has made sure that everything is taken care of. And then we've also spoken to the archers. We've got some inputs from them that have been taken into account. So every aspect of the sport has been taken into account. And for a lot of you, no one has ever had recurve and compound shooting together. And then we have made it a little tougher by reducing the time. Normally they get 20 seconds, we said we'll give you only 15 seconds. And then I asked some of our archers this morning, saying, how come you are shooting so well here? And what happens in other tournaments? They said, sir, you have given us only 15 seconds. It is not giving me any time to think anything else, and I'm just shooting and just getting into the tent. So I said, exactly, that is what we want you to learn. That was the whole purpose of this, for making this format in such a way that you get into that 10 ring and then you continue to shoot there. So for that, I thank Sergeant Munda for giving us this opportunity, Mr. Viren Sachdeva, and over here my good friend with all the rules and regulations that he brought in, and for all you archers. You are the ones who have made this possible. And I wish all of you in the press over here to please promote this more. And then, of course, I cannot forget Mr. Ramcharan. You have seen his couple of movies where he was he had a bow and arrow and he was shooting. So we thought he is the best brand ambassador for us. So if any one of you have not seen this movie, you must see the movie called RRR. It's an amazing movie. It's done well. One of its songs also got Oscar, so you must see that. And then the earlier movie also, Magadira, he had, so we said he's the right person for us, and he came in, and the Prime Minister was also very happy that he is with us. He is with us promoting the sport of archery. Thank you all, and then wish all of you archers the very best for tomorrow.
That is why we say that this league is the first of its kind. To get the support of the Prime Minister, to get the support of the association, I'm sure it means a lot to the archers and also this league. And RRR is a must recommended movie. Please, whoever has not watched it, go today and watch it. The archers can watch it after the match. Well, finally we move on to Dr. Joris. Mr. Anil has already said a lot about you. I'd like to hear from you to say a few words about the league and its impact and your role in it.
Mr. Ramcharan, Mr. Arjunandaji, Mr. Viren Sachdeva, and Nilkama sir, and all the archers and press people. So first of all, I would like to thank Archery Association of India to starting this initiative of this Archery Premier League, which is the first of the kind of the world. As Anil sir said, this is the first time that compounds and recurve shoots together. When we were about to start it, we were in a complete blank page. How to start it and how to make it interesting. So it took a lot of meetings and fights with Anil sir also on how to do it. So, but happy to know that it is going in a good way and it is going to a great success. Thank you.
Thank you so much for all your contributions. Once again, thank you all the dignitaries for sharing your thoughts. It's clear how much passion and hard work has gone into making Archery Premier League a success. I know all of you are here to ask questions, so you can go ahead and ask questions to the dignitaries or the archers, whoever you wish to ask.
भैया स्टिल बैठ जाओ यार, ये नहीं भैया सर, भैया स्टिल, हेलो 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 स्टिल में बैठा
सर खड़ो के पूरा नहीं आ रहा बहुत क्लोज आ रहे हैं
So we'll go
एक्सक्यूज मी सर, मैम सर थोड़ा सा पीछे
सर थोड़ा सा सर क्लोज प्लीज क्लोज
Nice.
थम्स क्लोज
पीछे चैनल को भी दे दो
भैया मोबाइल से जो ले रहे हैं एक साइड से ले लो भैया
थैंक यू
ओके थैंक्स
स्टैंडिंग में सही
India and all of us. Thank you.
सर बाकी स्पोर्ट्स को
Okay, done guys. Sir, what are your plans for Diwali, sir?
थैंक यू सो मच सर